So good evening, guys. So we are live from Lodha new component, and this is Mr. Ashok. We have given an ultra compact petrol generator set to Mr. Ashok. Tell me something about your business and for what purpose we are using this one.
I'll be using it for a farmhouse
Yes.
and gardening.
Okay. So your house appliances, what you use for that?
Yes.
Grinders.
When the house is made, until then for making the house, running the equipment to make the house.
Okay, general appliances.
Yeah.
Now Mr. Ashok will start the generator set and he will show you, sir.
First time,
Yeah, it's an ultra compact noise version Bajaj and petrol generator set, self-start. Yeah, on the ignition and started, sir.
on and on.
From yours. It is like a bike, sir. Then you need to reverse it back. This is the code. Can you start by recoil also? I'll show you. Mr. Vinod, Mr. Abdullah, start with the rope. On the ignition, pull the rope. And this is the rope.
This side.
यहाँ पर ये पूरा अल्ट्रा कॉम्पैक्ट पेट्रोल जनरेटर सेट है।